Welcome to this workshop on communication. We have the pleasure of having Professor Manindra Agrawal, Director IIT Kanpur, to say the opening words.
Good morning, everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here amongst you and the workshop on communication that we organized today. It is one of very critical skills that are required whenever in today's context, and even earlier, whenever in an academic settings there are so many interactions with students, faculty, across with multiple types of people, sets of people, and an academic environment also requires one to articulate the ideas properly and communicate them. And there are times when a person who has very good ideas, but just because is not able to communicate it properly or well, ends up in not those ideas not being appreciated. And that's where these skills in communication are handy. And Certex, of course, is the brainchild of Professor Harbola, who has been talking about it for many, many years. And about a year ago, this was formally launched, and he's been leading it with a lot of heart and effort. And the results of there are all to see. There are so many workshops that have been organized about various pedagogies of teaching, and this being just part of that sequence. So I wish everybody who is taking part in this workshop all the best, and hope you have a great discussion together. And outcomes of this workshop are going to add a lot of value into developing an understanding of how do we tweak the pedagogy today, in today's world, in an environment, to suit the requirements better. So wish you all the best. Thank you.